Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook on Android. Professional mode is a setting on Facebook that allows you to showcase your professional experience and skills on your profile. Enabling this feature can help you network and connect with other professionals in your field. First, you'll need to go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your profile picture or name in the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, click or tap the menu button. This is the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From there, click or tap. Turn on professional mode. This will enable the professional mode feature on your Facebook profile. You'll be prompted to fill out your professional information, such as your job title, company, and work experience. You can also choose to add a professional profile photo and cover photo. And that's it. Turning on professional mode on Facebook is a quick and easy process that anyone can do. Whether you're looking to network with other professionals or just want to showcase your skills and experience, these steps will help you do it in just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.